Alright guys, welcome back to another music video reaction to Blackhaze Bad Mind. Oh, I think this is a Trinidad artist. Yeah, it's a Trinidad artist. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. Blackhaze.
Better be wise to yourself who you talk to, where you walk and not know where you're in. No boy out our road claims it. Them are your friend and with a yam out your dinner.
True. Damn. Man have been Bible and him strap.
Even though bad mind try done me, we know I see the most I wrong me.
No sign.
You better watch who you're calling friend. Hey.
Man, this song is actually so true. It's like, it's just crazy, bro. That I own come finish you off. And we see them all the time, literally all the time. So when I sing, it's just reality. Wait, what was that on the wall? Wait. What was that? We shall overcome. Oh, we shall overcome.
Enough of them life, you call me name. Them a vex man a saying I'm own alien. Broke bucket, you not have no game. Cause you can't pay rent, but you must be shame. Them can't come wrong me no. Them a try hard to hold me down, but you stay in a me circle. Never let bad mind hurt you. Dirty bad mind, them too damn corrupt.
Nah, like, this have a nice good vibe to it, bro. Dancehall anthems.
That's why me ever stop with me thing by me side of me Bible a little bit of crier. Never be aware of the snake of the thief. Them a talk, them a pussy, them a liar. Dirty bad mind, them too damn cold.
But them a talk, them a pussy, them a liar.
Dirty bad mind, we rise up to the top. And me clocks and me jeans and the jeep tin top. Them a try sell we out, you fi back up on the lace. Them a want we come last and now want we win the race. And even though bad mind try done me, you're calling friends.
Wait, this place is like someone actually live here, or is just a place where they're doing the music video?
That's why mommy says, son, keep your eye open. If I be wise.
Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video to Blackhaze. Things that Trinidad artist. Man, these songs should really be like, as I said, some anthem for dancehall music. Cause like what he's saying is basically reality. Honest to God. That's like a virus to the whole situation. Bad mind. So this is the end of the reaction video.